all, welcome back to Uptake Online. Today I'm going to take you through how to round off time to the nearest either 15 minutes or 30 or 1 hour. So when you look at this, we are going to use the floor and ceiling function, where you'll find that for the floor function, it drops down by either 15 or 30 or 1 hour. Then the ceiling function increases by that time you'll have put. How do we do this? I'll repeat it with you. We use the floor function here is equal to the floor. There we go. We use the floor function. Then the time, comma, open quotes. We shall put now, we need 15. We shall put 0, semicolon, 15, because we are dropping this to the nearest 15 minutes. So when we want to do a max, that one is the nearest 15 minutes, but on a higher end. We use the ceiling function, which is this. Then select the time, comma, open the quotes. Still, we shall put 0 to 15, close quotes and brackets, and there you go. So if you want the same for 30 minutes, we can have this selected downwards. It is just a matter of changing this to 30 minutes and this to 30 minutes. The same thing, you do it for 1 hour. 1 hour, we change the 0 to 1 and the minutes remain to 0. There we go. And the same thing here. For 1 hour, we change an hour to 1. So when you realize the data here, it is showing us that 5:51, which was supposed to be the nearest 15, lies at 5:45, then the nearest 15 lies at 6. If you are to round it up, if you are to round it down, it goes to 45. The same thing for 30, the same thing for an hour. So guys, this is it all. If there is any question, any comment you have for us, please leave it in the comments below. Then I will put the description and for the detailed reading. Then please don't forget to subscribe to Uptake Online for videos like this. Bye bye.